I want to share something with you today, and it's more of an idea, something that I've been working on tirelessly for a little while now. So if you stick with me for the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal this idea, and maybe you will resonate with this idea. Well, let's see if I'm any good at this. Hi, my name is Paulo, and today I turn 39 years old. So this is my last year in my 30s. Birthdays have a way of making you reflect on your life, where you've been, what you've done, and most importantly, where are you going? What are you going to be doing? What are you going to do? And as I thought about the future, this theme, this idea keep coming to my mind, this idea of the infinite game. The whole idea about infinite game is about finding something that gives you purpose and something that gives you fulfillment. Not because there's a finish line, but because the journey itself is the reward. And for me, that infinite game is all about teaching. It's all about sharing knowledge. It's all about growing and helping others who want to make a difference. So I've been doing this teaching online for over 10 years, about 10 years now. And I've had the privilege of teaching well over 280,000 students all over the world in about 175 countries. And honestly, I've loved every moment of it because number one, it's very challenging. Put yourself out there and to have to learn things, to have to master things, to be able to teach, to share this knowledge. But it was very, and still is, one of the most rewarding things that I've ever done in my life. And so I'm so grateful that I was able to find that thing that really brings up the best in me, which is to be able to share and help others. But I also realize I'm not just a teacher. This is my calling. This is part of who I am. And I may even say that it's what I believe I'm here to do. And this clarity is such a blessing. And today I want to share with you the extension of that infinite game, an idea that has grown into something bigger that I could have ever imagined. Now, this idea came from a very simple question that I had to ask myself. How can I better serve the people who, like me, are fascinated by AI, fascinated by technology, fascinated by building digital things, but at the same time felt overwhelmed by all this noise out there? And maybe that's you. Maybe you are me a few years ago, where there's just so much out there and we're just confused. You don't know where to go. You don't know where your anchor is, where place, a community where you can go and find yourself like-minded people who are also going to the same direction that you want to go, which in this case could be a home for you. And this is why this idea came about of creating what I would call an AI guild. This would be a community of like-minded people. This would be a space for builders, for dreamers, problem solvers, so people who actually want to build tools, use technology, the knowledge they may have, what they want to learn, to actually build things that make a difference. Right? Build solutions for real world problems. And so that was the big idea. And it wasn't just about people who just want to learn for the sake of learning, but yet a place where people can learn for the sake of building, of growing, of connecting, of collaborating, and make the world a better place. Really, I believe that. And as I mentioned earlier, this is part of my infinite game. It is something deeply meaningful to me. It's something that I would do with pure drive, with consistency, and potentially, well, till the end, really. It's not a gimmick. It's not a one-time transaction. It's not for everyone. That is the truth about it. It's for people who resonate with this vision that I have. And so if you're watching this and you are on this AI tech journey, and perhaps you're looking for an anchor, you're looking for a community, you're looking for a place, a home where you find the support that you need, the community support, the collaboration, the meetings, the building together, the struggles, the giving, the getting, and all of this, be challenged and grow with people and be connected, truly connected, then maybe this idea is for you. Maybe this is where you need to be. The good news is this is no longer an idea. This is actually something that I put together, and it's a real thing, because now I've opened to the public a growing community of like-minded people who want to build real-world solutions. This new community called the AI Guild. So this is a community of like-minded people who want to build real-world solutions for real-world problems. It's a growing, vibrant community of individuals who want to learn, who want to share, and they are striving to build real-world solutions that actually solve real-world problems. So here's what I'm asking. Are you that person? Are you the person who's looking for that home where you are going to grow, you're going to communicate, you're going to connect with like-minded people who are building AI solutions? Are you that person? Now, this is very important because, as I said, this is not for everyone. This is not for the whole world. That's not the idea. The idea is for people who are actually listening to this message, want to be a part of something that is bigger than themselves, something that will grow, help them grow. I really would love to have you in this community to help me grow this community into one of the biggest AI community in the world. Yes, I said it and I believe in that. I have to believe in it. Remember, because it means a lot to me. Because this is no gimmick. This is my infinite game. And so, if this resonates with you, I want you to do one thing. I want you to type in the comments, join AI Guild. And then I will send you the link where you can go ahead and check it out and join. Or click the link in the descriptions where you're going to be able to get a special offer to join the AI Guild. Now, let me leave you with this. This isn't about selling a product. It's about joining a mission to learn, to grow, and build together. That's what it's all about. Now, I guess the question is, will you join me? Well, I really hope so. And that's it. I'll see you inside.